Alright, a bit of a review on what work I've done so far on the 1987-20 Datsun. I've pulled the front shafts out to redo the CV joints. Still haven't started the engine. Got plenty of time for that. All the hang-on parts are going to be pulled off and sent out and bead blasted and undercoated. I'll come back around to the rear. I've taken the back tray off. There's one of the CVs. Have to rebuild them myself. Not too many people are interested in doing it here in Adelaide. So the main thing is the paint has been peeling off this thing. It's got a little bit of surface rust, but there's no penetrating rust in the whole car. So here's the odometer. It's sitting at 118,292 kilometres, which is bugger all. So I'll post this. Hopefully I'll have this finished middle of the year, all fully repainted and running and on the road.